Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide Wayne. Today I want to show you how to unlock your Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app, go to the dialer, and you want to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us the IMEI of the phone. Make sure you write down this first number at the top of the screen. You'll need that for the next step of the video. We're going to go home and then go to the Google Chrome app, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, let's swipe up a bit, select phone manufacturer, let's go to Google, and then let's select the phone model. We're going to select the 7 Pro, but again, you can do 7, 7 Pro, any one of these models here. We're going to tap Unlock Phone. Now we're going to swipe up, answer a few more questions. So for example, the country you purchased the phone in, for us, the United States, and the carrier is going to be AT&T. And once you enter that information, it's going to give you a price, so $27, and an average turnaround time for your final unlocking instructions. In this case, it's going to be anywhere from 1 hour to up to 72 hours. So keep in mind that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time, and it does vary depending on what carrier you have. So that's why you basically add to cart, submit your order, and then they follow up with you with an email within 1 to 72 hours or whatever that delivery window is, and that's where they send you those final unlocking instructions. You'll follow those steps, and then you can unlock your phone. Now, a couple of things I want to point out, and one of the reasons why I love this site, they do have many points of contact to reach the company. So at the top of the screen, you'll find a toll-free number you can call or text. There's also an email address and a WhatsApp number. So you have 4 different ways to contact the company. Normally you want to wait until you're outside of that delivery window. If you still haven't gotten an email from them, then you can reach out and follow up with some questions. Now, for this phone, once you receive those final instructions, a good rule of thumb is to have the SIM card ready of the new service you'd like to use with the phone. Find the SIM tool that comes in the box of your phone. You're going to pop out that SIM card simply by inserting the tool into the SIM tray. Give it a good push. Take out the old SIM card and then put in your new SIM card, which will then trigger the phone to restart, and then you should be good to go. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.